Good Wednesday, everyone. I hope your week is going well. We're almost halfway through. A little bit of a shorter week due to the holiday for many of us, but we're still pressing toward the weekend, I suppose, right? And I have some not so good weather news about the weekend. We'll get to that in just a minute. Looking at our weather map for today, we see lots of showers across the southeast, extending up toward New England, but our area is pretty much left out of it for today. We only have very slight chances for a shower or storm. If you look well to our northwest, you'll see a wildfire danger that is covering an extensive portion of real estate from Montana over to Idaho to Washington State, down to Oregon, and all the way up into western Canada. Huge areas of western Canada under a wildfire danger today. And you may be asking, well, why all the wildfire out there? Because they're extremely hot. They're having a very intense heat wave across the west, so they're dealing with very hot and dry conditions. That is, of course, leading to this wildfire danger. And while on the flip side of the coin, we're very wet on this side of the country and much cooler than normal. Looking at our 5-day outlook, only a 20% chance for a shower or storm today. Short-term models have something firing up over us about noon, having a couple of storms firing up and moving southeast. We'll see if that materializes. Then tomorrow's looking really good. Taste of Crossville is tomorrow evening in Crossville. Check that out. If you can come out, look for Creative Compassion. We'll be set up out there. I'm telling you all about the Bigfoot Festival coming in October, so be sure and find us if you're out there. Tickets are $25, and they suggest buying your tickets ahead of time in case they sell out. So that's how good of a deal this Taste of Crossville thing is. And then Friday, 50% chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms. And then Friday night is looking really wet. We may have some heavy rainfall to look forward to there too, and that could offer a flash flood risk. I'll have to keep an eye on that. And then Saturday and Sunday looking pretty wet at this point. 70% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms during the day, 50% during the night. So if you make any outdoor plans for the weekend, make sure you have an indoor backup plan just in case. You never know. You might find a break in the precip and have your outdoor activity, but then again, that might be when the rain is happening, and so you'll need that indoor backup plan. It just makes things a lot easier if you have that second plan in place. And looking at our 7-day forecast rainfall amounts, as you can see, lots of rainfall down across Georgia and Florida for the next 7 days. But then in our neck of the woods, there we are, kind of highlighted in the purple on the plateau, as we should be. Our elevation does tend to make our precipitation amounts a little bit higher. And in those purple colors, that's anywhere from 2 inches-ish. So total rainfall totals over the next 7 days, and this is probably undercutting it a little bit. If you get under some heavier thunderstorms, you'll get that in an hour. So just keep that in mind that some of these heavier downpours could produce more than that. But generally speaking, we're looking at about, 1 to 3 inches of rain across our region for the next 7 days in general. But like I said, if you get under more thunderstorms than someone else, you're going to get more rainfall than someone else. You folks have a wonderful day. Keep a looking for even more weather information, including a look at those very active tropics and again, a look at all that heat that's out west. I've got all kinds of maps that show all of that. Just keep reading along in the blog, meteorologistmark.com.